skies continue to clear. High pressure is building in from the Great Lakes. It's just shredding and sleet off to our south and west. The question is, this moisture down to the south. I mean, this is intense rain right now. So it looks like a lot of this is going to the mid-Atlantic. I'll get that. Addressing the latest storm in California. That's starting east of San Diego. Winds of 70 feet of snow in Sierra. And you know what? The worst of the storm on shore. That comes on shore tomorrow. And all until a weekend rainstorm for us, but not until late in the weekend. Maybe late. That one goes into maybe a part of Monday as well. This dry, cold air in place. Earlier, up to about I-78, nudge a little bit farther. Jersey, and this would still be light and a nuisance situation. And if you look at our future cast, moisture is going to stay to our south, and we might city on north on Friday. Not ready to buy this trend gives you an idea that we're not going to have a major situation. Some of it is going to be off to our south. The worst case showers that cause slippery conditions over central and southern New Jersey. Tomorrow, no problem. Lots of sunshine, lower 40s. And then this storm close by, but stormy high on 40, just indicating the trend here. It's going to be a little bit during the midday and afternoon hours. Here's your 7 a.m. Be about 30 degrees, lots of 20. Sunshine most of the day tomorrow. High clouds in the afternoon, south and west of New York City. We get into some of the cloudiness from this system. Close call with Friday morning, leaving us in the afternoon. The weekend looks get some rainfall, 42 and up to 50 on Monday. Very mild in the afternoon, so it'll be cold air in second. It's almost 10 degrees above normal. Yeah.
Gosh, indeed.
Yes.
Thank you. And tonight's health alert, a breakthrough can significantly reduce the need for mastectomy. This treatment uses microwaves to kill and shrink. Technology used in President Reagan's old Star Wars defense system. They're outstanding.
Cancer cells are very like regenerated heat. It, however, is make it dramatically easier to get clear margins taken out.
The treatment improves the effectiveness of chemotherapy. They shrunk so dramatically, the percentage of patients who 75% to just 7%.
My hope is that microwave where we can shrink the tumor initially, these tumors out for a big biopsy to talk about.
One nurse who underwent the treatment avoided a mastectomy.
I'm very proud to say I was 8 years survivor of breast cancer.
The treatment still in the trial stages.